Hey, thanks for joining. Welcome to This New Slow Life. I want to show you today how to amp up a very ugly or unimpressive balcony planter. This hangs over my railing and it just looks so mediocre. So let's talk about amping up the volume. Newly retired girl, I'm creating a garden. I have a beautiful pantry that I created over the winter, and I'm starting to work on a few moments in my home, and I hope to bring you along for a lot of it. So subscribe and be a part of my inner circle. Love it. All right, so here's my boring planter. From the inside, first of all, it hasn't filled in, and it's been this way for a month. So I'm just going to pull everything out. What I'm going to do is overstuff it. And if I water it every day, I can add fertilizer when I need to so that it can stay happy. So I got petunias, and I think I like this because the leaves are a richer green, and it's desperate for water. So I'm going to shove it here. And I have a verbena that's going to be coming on both sides, trailing, because I want it to look good from the inside and outside. Okay. Back goes our pretty geraniums that are doing nothing. They are not happy. This is lobelia. I'm going to add back in these poor, pathetic creatures. This is a potato vine, and it is stunning when it just cascades down. And I have tried on this guy. He's just not happy. This one looks like I really did not treat it well. I'm going to shove him in here. Okay, I have my plants placed. Oh, one more lobelia. Break up the root. Okay, now I've got some really good soil in here, and I'm going to add it to the planter. Before I bring it in through the house, I'm going to water it and make sure it's in good condition, because you don't want it wet. It's already heavy. It has to go through my house, up the stairs to the balcony of my husband's office. I'm just going to pat everything down, add soil where it needs it. Add plenty of fertilizer. Let's hope this helps. I'll get some scissors and trim it up. And fingers crossed, it's going to be beautiful. Yes. Let's get these guys cut. Sometimes you got to take off your gloves to do the more gentle work. Okay. Hopefully this is going to be the trick. I'm going to water it. And fingers crossed that I'll have something beautiful in 1 week. I want it in 1 week. Behind me, you just see my side gardens turned into a total jungle. I'll give you another update tour on that soon. But my potatoes are huge. My black beans are huge coming up. My tomatoes are up. Oh, it's going to be a great garden. So stick around and we'll do more of this together. Thank you so much for joining me. Ciao for now.